Hello all. Today let's look at data table. Data table is an effective tool when we want to do any sensitivity analysis. Just for example, in this case, suppose volume is 1000, selling price per unit is 50, revenue is volume into price, that is 50,000. I am assuming cost of goods sold as 50%, that is 50,000 into 50%, 25,000. GP is revenue minus COGS, that is 25,000. All other expenses together I am assuming 10,000. And net profit is GP minus all other expenses, that is 15,000 in my case. So in this case we want to see what will be the volume, what will be the net profit if volume is say 1,100 or say 1,200, or what if the selling price is just 30 or 20. Let's analyze it with a data table. So I'm going to create a data table here. In this I'm typing in the volume in the row field. So for example, I want to know 800, 900, 1000, 1100 and 1200. In column fields, I am putting in the price 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And here in the top left, I am linking the output which I need. So I want to find out the change in profit when any of the parameters change. Now I am going to select everything together. Go to data, what if analysis, data table. So this box popped up, and in row input cell I am giving volume. So I am linking it to the volume in my base case. In column input cell I have given the price, so I am linking to the selling price in the base case and clicking OK. Now our data table is ready. I am just doing some basic formatting just to identify the headers. Okay, so we can see that when volume is 1000 and price is 50, our profit is 15,000. Now I am just changing it to 1,200. When it is 1,200, net profit is 20,000, which is reflected here. Again, when selling price is 30, 1,230, 8,000.